Removing a Gmail account from an Android device is a simple process. Begin by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and find the section labeled Accounts or Users and Accounts, depending on your device model. Tap on this section to view all the accounts linked to your device, including your Gmail account. Once you're in the Accounts section, find the Gmail account you want to remove and select it. This will bring up the account details, and you should see an option to Remove Account at the bottom or in the menu. Tap on this option to proceed. A confirmation message will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to remove the account. Removing the account will also disconnect it from other Google services like Google Play Store, YouTube, and Google Drive on the device. Your emails, contacts, and other data linked to the account will no longer be available on the device, but they will remain intact in the cloud and can be accessed again by logging into the Gmail account on another device. After confirming, the Gmail account will be removed from the Android device. If you ever wish to add it back, simply go back to the Accounts section and select Add Account.